My name's Angie Polglaze. I'm from Hastings, Victoria on the Mornington Peninsula. I'm really pleased that this is here and that STIHL have got behind it, because it's an important thing for our art form. Blockout Day is always the most invigorating, exciting, challenging and scary day, and I love it. No, it's a really nice piece of wood actually, so I'm pretty pleased with it. Yeah, just keep chipping away. I've got a couple of really old STIHLs that I love, but I was playing with the little battery saw and I think I might have to get one. It's very nice, yeah. It's an absolute joy to be here, and you know, I love the hills, I love the venue, and I just adore the carvers, all of them. So the talent's incredible.